That's flash mode, right? I don't think that one's gonna work.
So, Nick wants to.
Looks like shit like that.
What?
Without those covers.
It does. We'll fix it. So here's his original barb fitting for his washer fluid reservoir. We're just rerouting the output from here. We're gonna move this line, and depending on how wide that spray pattern is, we'll determine if we have to switch it, add 2, or change it up to get it to work. Do it again.
Oh,
This one's good too.
I like that one.
I think you have like 4 of these. That one's pretty misty.
That one's a decent one.
So if you don't have an extractor, you can just squirt it all out. Not
Pretty
yet.
much. Here, hold on.
Sprayers.
Just
So this
OEM.
one's an actual STI one from when I got in Colorado. If we focus on it, I'm just gonna let Nick have it. It's cool too because it's got a collar, so all you need is a hole. You don't have to fasten it. We're gonna mount it right here on the inside and give it a test. Good. It's the widest pattern. All the other ones, they had wide patterns, but they don't get wide till it's going to be about 3 or 4 feet. And we got to put it right here about 2 feet away from the intercooler. Perfect. Let's clean off a little of the burrs.
Nice.
Cool.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right. Let's route the dish ting.
How many clips are we short?
All right. We're in about 30 seconds. We're gonna find out if this is a
Just a tad.
interrupted again.
Hold on, dude. We gotta cut all the zip ties.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do. Let me move this real quick.
What's it do?
All right. So easy fix.
I wanna see.
Grab a washer. We're just gonna make a wedge to put underneath the thing. It's also hitting the fins, which isn't as big as a problem, but let's fix the angle first.
The hose is somewhere over there.
Yeah. All right. Let's cool it off.
It's not a fucking hose. Making it brittle. Not quite.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Huh? Me? Just hanging around.
Might as well do this too.
Nick, we have our own ideas on intercooler sprayers.
Okay.
They're quick sprayers, so you could just, when you're not on the track, just put them back in their hiding spot.
They do that spinny motion.
You won't see it. Actually, we can paint it later.
Huh? Just
We
paint
can-
it now.
Yeah, we gotta do proof of concept. Alright, it does spray a lot better. 1 second. Alright, so we're finally done. Nick's happy, I'm happy. Now, what it's going to not do or not prevent is it's not going to prevent it from pulling timing because it's after the MAF sensor. So this is a safety mod. It'll help keep it from knocking at least, but it will still pull timing until he goes to speed density. But other than that, we're happy and hope you enjoyed the video.